Good morning friends. So this is guava tree and today we will see how to propagate it by air layering method. I am doing this for the first time, so sorry if something went wrong. Normally a medium sized branch should be cut with a knife at a distance of about 2 inches as shown in the video. Remove the underlying fiber with a knife. If this is not done, then air layering will not be successful. We use cocopeat as air layering medium. Heat the moistened cocopeat in a polythene bag and cut it in same size as the wound on the branch. And wrap it around the branch with required adjustment. Make sure wrap it tightly and use string to tie like this. Birds love guava. It should be covered with more plastic so birds or water do not disturb it. Best time for the experiment is rainy and winter season. Air layering takes at least 30 to 45 days to complete. Let's see if we can succeed. For that, we have to cut through the stem just below as shown in video. We unwrapped it easily. You can see that roots are developed on the stem. That means we got success. Because of air layering method, we get exact copy of parent plant. After that, dig about 1 foot deep pit. Place the rooted stem in it. Do it carefully so that roots do not disturb. In this way, you can propagate a guava tree easily by air layering. Please hit the like button if you like the episode and share the video as well. And if you're new to channel, please subscribe it by hitting the red button so you can enjoy our other video also. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.